everyone. Welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to just be discussing some very basic garnishing that you can do in your house when you're entertaining. If you're doing a brunch or a party and you have platters and you want to make them look pretty, I'm going to show you just some very simple basic tricks. I watch a lot of videos on YouTube, and there's people doing things out there that are very complex that if you practice every single day for a long time, you'll be able to do. What I'm going to show you, you'll practice one time and you'll be able to do it. Very basic stuff and looks great. So we're going to jump right in, and I'm going to show you some different techniques that I use. So this here is a baby pepper, and what we're going to do is we're going to be turning that into this. Very simple. I'm using a paring knife, and I'm just doing a series of V cuts. And when I say a V, just basically an upside down V. And now do another one. And now do another one. Just keep going round and round. And actually, so I started right here and I ended right here. So we're just gonna kind of go like that. I'm gonna pull it apart, like so. Now, this doesn't look like this. How do you get it to look like this? You put it in a bowl with cold water and leave it in your refrigerator overnight. And overnight, it will open up. Once it opens up, so I have red, yellow, and orange peppers. That's one thing. And now we're gonna garnish it with some scallions, and I'm gonna show you how to do these in a second. This is just some tuna fish that I'm using, but you can garnish anything. So that's like a very basic garnish. So for the scallion garnish, you take the end of the scallion, and this is the very end, the last like inch and a half of it. We're gonna cut this part off. And so this is the very bottom right here. We're just gonna take a paring knife, go halfway in the middle, and slice down. Very close. And just keep going all the way around. The first time you do it, some of your lines won't be perfectly straight. Don't worry about it, it'll be fine. Now, once again, once you put this in water overnight, it will turn into that. So those are two very basic garnishes. Other things that you can do to make a platter look pretty. So I'm gonna take a tomato. This is just very basic stuff. We're gonna slice it very thin. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our slices. The problem with this right here is it's tuna fish, which is white, and it's on a white plate. So you really have to do a lot to make the colors stand out. Otherwise it just looks all white. Take the other half, keep going around. So, and now what we're going to do, we're going to take a cucumber, we're going to take a channel knife, we're going to make some lines on here. If you're interested in buying a channel knife, I do have one in the description down below. You can buy it on my Amazon affiliate link, or with my Amazon affiliate link. We're going to cut this a little bit less than half. Now we're going to thin slice this. And we're going to go under each tomato. Another very basic garnish is a rose, either a tomato rose, an orange rose, a lemon rose. To do this, we're going to take a tomato, just peel. You notice I'm starting at the top and going all the way around. Not too thick though. The very, very bottom. And just take this and roll. And now we're going to add a little bit of greenery to that. You can just take some parsley if you want to use parsley, which is just very, very simple. But I have some cucumber out, so I'm just going to actually go around my cucumber. Make some petals for my rose. Another thing you can do with like tuna fish or egg salad, you just take a spatula, you can make lines on here. Just take an indent, probably about every inch. Now we're going to go at an angle. Gives it a very nice look. You can use your tomato rose if you like. Another very simple garnish is we're going to take some cucumber. Go very, very, very thin. First part of this. This platter is rather on the smaller side. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to try to go around. So this will work on here. On bigger platters, you can actually go around and you get like a nice circle. I don't know if I can do this on here, but kind of like so. And then you can take different color flowers. Something like that. The other thing you can do is, if you want to do tomato roses, tomato rose. I don't have two tomato roses, but tomato rose and orange rose. Another very, very basic flower, which is just stupidly easy. Just cut the little end off the lemon and cut 6 wedges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, it'll be 7 wedges, excuse me. Just 6 or 7. For a plate this size, you should probably be using a smaller lemon. Most of my platters are bigger for catering. It's just like a normal household plate, which I never use. Something like that. And if you want, you can take one of these or some parsley. Normally I use just a parsley sprig, but you can take one of these and in the middle. Anyway, so those are some very, very basic garnishes to get you started. As I said, I watched a lot of videos on YouTube, and the garnishings that they're showing you how to do, they're hard for me to do, and I've been garnishing for 30 years, so they're like impossible for you guys to do. But these are just some very, very basic things to get you guys started. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and tell me what type of garnishings you know how to do. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and be safe, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.